What is going on, everybody? Caleb here, back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the iPad Pro 12.9-inch Smart Keyboard Folio. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I am finally unboxing it right now. First things first, guys, welcome to the channel, and if you would do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button for future videos just like these coming up in the future. So like I mentioned before, I am a little bit late to the game, as I'm sure you are well aware if you're watching this. I am unboxing the keyboard folio for the iPad Pro, the new iPad Pro. I'm late to it because I just didn't need it at the time. It was not a necessity that I needed. The pencil I needed because I took notes with and everything like that, but I just didn't need the keyboard. However, I am on the go more often, and I finally decided to get this, and I have to say I really am excited for it, to be honest. So you can see on the back of the package all the different ways that you can align this keyboard. They did add an extra position for this version of the Smart Keyboard. Last generation only had that one prefixed angle that you could have it at. So I do like the fact that they added an extra viewing angle. I will say the material feels really nice to the touch. It feels really premium, but on the other hand, it better be premium for a $200 plus tax price tag. Of course, like any other Apple product, they do have their directions and Apple stickers. I think this is pretty self-explanatory on what to do, so we'll just set that off to the side. The way that this keyboard works, it's different from most keyboards. It's not like a regular keyboard. It's got this felt lining, as you can hopefully see, and the keys don't click like a normal keyboard like most people are used to, but I have to say I really do like it. Now in the back of the iPad they have these three little circles. That is the smart connector. It also, you can see it on the case itself. The iPad in the actual casing has magnets all over, so you just set it on and it sticks, and it's that simple. You can see it doesn't take any pairing or anything like that, and I mean that's it. I mean it's pretty self-explanatory on what to do. There are shortcuts that you can do with the keyboard. A simple one that I can mention is the Command H, and that will just bring you home. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like these. And I'll see you guys on the next one.